So, ang topic na to karon is about union and intersection of sets. Okay, for the given sets A and B. So, natay set A, students who play the guitar. And for set B, students who play the piano. Okay, for set A, na si Tan Molina, Chris Clemente, Angela Dominguez, Mayome Torres, Juana Cruz. For set B, natay Mayome Torres, Janice Reyes, Chris Clemente, Ethan Molina, o Niran Santos. So, ang pangutana karon is determine which of the following shows A union B and B intersection B. So, naatay set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4. So, mo ni ang atong pilian or choices. Okay, for A union B, yeah. Okay, kung saan pagkuha ang A union B? Simple lang, i-combine rin yung element sa A o sa B. Kaya itong tagsa-tagsaon. For example, set A, natay Ethan Molina. Ini, Ethan Molina. So, napod sa set 2. Napod siya makita sa set 3, set 4. Next, Chris Clemente. Naa sa set 1, naa sa set 2, naa sa set 3, napod sa set 4. Angela Dominguez. So, nasa set 1. Sa set 2, wala siya. So, wala na ni. Out na sa atong choices. Then, sa set 3, okay, si Angela Dominguez. So, wala sad. So, set 4, kinaa. So, duha na lang ang ato ang pilian sa set 1 o set 4 para sa A union B. Okay, Mayome Torres na adiri. Naapod. Next, we have Juana Cruz. Then, for set B, Mayome Torres. So, naa. Balik na ni siya. Janice Reyes. Okay, naa. Then, Chris Clemente. Naa. Ethan Molina. Naa sa set 4. Then, Niran Santos. Okay. So, tanang elements sa A o B, i-combine na to, which is na makita sa set 4. So, therefore, ang A, so this is the answer for A union B. For A union B, we have 7 elements. So, muna sila. Saan pagkuha ang A intersection B? So, kung unsay common nga element sa A o sa B, mo na ilang intersection. For example, si Ethan Molina, naapod sa set B. Si Chris Clemente, naapod sa set B. Then, si Mayome Torres, naapod sa set B. So, ang set 2, so muna yung answer sa A intersection B. So, na ay tulo ka elements. Okay, given the sets above, determine the elements and cardinality. So, take note, ang ipangayo is elements o ang cardinality. Okay, for A union B, so, combine na to ang elements sa A o sa B. So, we have K0, 1, 2, okay, isa ray kwaon sa common na nga number. Then 3. Next is 4. Then 6 and 8. Okay. So cardinality, we have N, A union B equals, ihapon ang elements sa A union B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. For A union C, A and C, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 9. Then cardinality, A union C was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Then A union B and union C. So combine tanang elements sa A, B, ug C. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The cardinality of A union B union C, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, A intersection B. So, ang common nga element sa A o B, we have 0. And 2, 4, 3. Wala? Cardinality, we have A intersection B. 1, 2, 3. We have 3. Next, we have B intersection C. Okay, B intersection C. Okay. Since walay common nga element sa B o C, so ang answer is empty set. So cardinality of B intersection C, that is 0. Okay, next, A intersection B intersection C. Yeah, ang common nga element sa A, B, o C. So 0, 0, wala. 1, 1, wala. 2, 2, dari wala. 3, dari wala. 4, dari wala. So wala gyapon, empty set. Then cardinality of A intersection B intersection C, that is equal to 0. Then intersection of A and B, then union sa C. So ang A intersection B, so natay A intersection B natay 0, 2, and 4. Then kini nga elements atong i-combine sa elements sa C. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 9. Then cardinality, you have A intersection B union C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8. Okay, let W is equal to the elements of X such that X is greater than 0 but less than 3. Then for Y, we have X such that X is greater than 2. And Z is equal to the element of X such that X is greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal to 4. So, pwede na ito na himong listing method. You have W is equal to, ang X is greater than 0. So, pwede 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, so on and so forth. Taman sa 2.9. That is less than 3. Then, for Y, X is greater than 2. So, pwede tayo mag-start og 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, so on and so forth. Then, for Z, we have Z, okay, greater than 0, but greater than or equal to 0. So, we have from 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, so on and so forth. Then we have 4. Okay. Pero saan magkuha ang A? We have A, the union of W and Y and intersection Z. So first, ato saan kuha ang union aning W of Y. So we have W union Y is equal to the elements of, okay, mag-start of 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, then until, okay, we have 2.3 and so on and so forth. Okay. So, then, ihanato ko ng iyang intersection. So, kini nga elements intersection ani. So, mag-start ta og 0.1. Di ita pwede mag-start og 0 since ang union sa W and Y is wala nag-start og 0. So, intersection man. So, mag-start ta og 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, so on and so forth. Then, paingon na po siya sa 4. Okay. So, kung ibalik na to sa hinani nga method, so may answer. So, we have the union of W and Y, intersection Z, that is the elements of X such that X is greater than 0. So, greater than 0 ha, dili equal to, kaya nag-start ito 0.1. X is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 4. Okay. And then, for B, we have the intersection of W, Y, and Z. Okay, intersection sa tulo ka sets. The intersection of W, Y, and Z. So, common sa tulo ka elements. Common. So, mag-start ta og 2.1 diri sa Y. Since mo ni ang pinaka ubos nga element nga common nilang dulo, 2.1. Then ang last is 2.9. 2.9 kini na magyapon ni 2.9 kay infinite ni ang numbers diri. So diri po sa Z napoy 2.9 diya kay ang pinaka highest nga number is 4. So therefore, the answer is we have X such that X is greater than 2, which is 2.1, but less than 3, which is 2.9. Okay, so that is the answer.